At the height of COVID-19 pandemic back in mid-June 2020, we were made aware of some of the substandard homes built for landowners at Woodlark Gold Project. And as a consequence of those reports, we called up the chairman of the company and asked him to cease construction of those houses, and we demanded for a revised plan to be approved by MRA before any construction commences. About 2.5 years now, I have the privilege to come down to the island myself and to speak to the traditional landowners and see what has happened over the last 2.5 years. And I must admit that I'm very impressed with the resettlement exercise undertaken over the last 2.5 years. The homes that were built are much better than what it was initially built. There are 4 major types of houses built for the landowners, ranging from 3-bedroom to 5-bedroom. There are 3-bedroom standard, 3-bedroom deluxe, 4 bedrooms, and 5-bedroom houses. And these are steel structures, permanent structures that will last for 50-odd years. There are, in a resettlement exercise, it was targeted at a village called Kolomando. Kolomando is a village that has 230 plus households and other infrastructures situated between what is supposed to be the mine pit and the processing plant. And during the last 2.5 years, they have relocated almost all the households. There are 99 houses still outstanding, but back in early 2022, due to the financial arrangements that fell over, many of the early engineering works and construction work were suspended. And I am pleased to also say that they continue to invest in the resettlement exercise and also show strong commitment towards exploration drilling, which are ongoing and will continue this year. Some of the structures are almost 60 to 90% complete, and once they get the funding, I believe they will continue to complete the resettlement exercise. As I've said, I'm very impressed, not only because they have built those structures, they also build solar power to the houses, they also build toilet, they also supply water tanks, and also supported the resettlement exercise by giving them allowances during the early stages until they grow their cash crops. They also transported the seedlings from one location to the other. They also involved in ensuring that the children who were disrupted from the old school were transported to the new school on transports provided by the company. And there's a lot of lessons to be learned from this resettlement exercise. And I believe this is one of the first successful resettlement exercise ever undertaken in any extractive industry in the country. And I'm very proud to commend the entire team, the media for raising the substandard efforts in the past, then the MRA team, the landowners, local MP, and everyone that were involved in ensuring that we build dwelling homes for the landowners to our satisfaction and to the satisfaction of the landowners and everyone. And I think this is a benchmark achievement that must be emulated by every other extractive industry players in the country going forward.